How to extend ringtone time on Android phone. So first of all, you have to open up dial pad in your mobile device. Now, first of all, if you want to view your call forwarding settings, then you have to dial star has 61 has and then you can call it. Select your preferred SIM card. Wait for a while and there in your interface you can see your settings. So for now, it's on after 6:20 seconds in my device. So in order to extend the ring time of your Android phone, then again you have to open up dial pad in your device. Then again you have to type in star star 61 star 101 star star. Now you have to type in the time that you want to set so that you can extend your ringtone time or ring time of your phone to that preferred time. So for now I will just set it to 30 seconds and then type has. Now call it. Select your preferred SIM card. Wait for a now and here it says call forwarding registration was successful. Now you have extended your ring time. Again, in order to check settings, again you can close it, open up the dial pad and again type in star has 61 has and now call it. Select your preferred SIM card. Wait for a while and you can see now my settings has been saved. So in this way you can extend the ring time of your Android device, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.